making first seat with me. What's this one again? Is it everything? You are not entering that car. Come outside. No respect. Is it that? Hey, you are not entering this place.
What is going on now?
What is going on? You are here looking at your daughter, and she wants to enter the front seat. Is she going to sit in the front?
Well,
Is she going to sit in the front?
Marvelous, go to the back.
Back is for children.
Go to the back. Let my wife take the front. What is it?
This small child will be giving us issue in this house. What is all this? She'll be dragging everything with me. And you will not even say anything. That's because I don't impact.
See, it's not that I cannot say anything. This is a little child.
And so?
You should take...
Little children should know their place.
Hey, listen. This is my wife. This thing you are delaying me now. I want to take my wife to the hospital.
I'm the one even going to the hospital. Where are you going to with us now? Why is she joining us?
Why are you joining us? Go inside fast.
I'm not going inside, please.
See, Marvelous, my wife has to stay in the front.
Bam.
You hear me?
Yes.
Must stay.
But
I've locked it. You are not going to open this motor.
oh yeah.
Go to until you accept to go to the back.
We are not leaving this place.
Go to the back. Now, can you hear me here? I'm not pulling back on the money. Huh? What is all this now? I cannot even rest. I cannot drink water and keep cup. Go to the back. You are not going. Never.
So you cannot even tell this child go inside and she will respect you. What kind of a father are you?
Stay there.
Don't take it.
See, Marvelous. Stay there.
See, I will.
Oh.
Yes.
Hey! What have I done? What have I done? Marvelous. Stay
You will
one
not
place.
enter that place. See, if I do not sit in this front seat, we are not going anywhere.
Yes.
It's your child, though. It's your child. If anything happens to this child, see, I will hold you responsible for it. Since you cannot talk to this small girl.
Marvelous.
Now you're like you.
Marvelous. Let's settle this amicably. Very, very amicably. Marvelous. Now listen. This is my wife. I love my wife so much. Allow my wife to live in peace in this house.
Imagine, is it too much to ask? It's marvelous. What did I do to you in this life?
Yes.
What have I done? Hey,
Please, I am begging you.
what have I done to you?
What you have done is that you're coming fake pregnancy for my father.
It's a lie.
Daddy.
It's a lie.
Was I talking to you?
It's a lie.
You are not entering this place. Give me another. You won't be like, I beg you. Hey, if anything happens to this, I will not agree.
Now, I don't want to touch you. Thank you. Now, go to the back.
Let's go out.
Oh, Daddy, I want to say the phone. Yeah, you will laugh me.
Slap you where? Slap you how?
Oh!
Slap you
Hey!
how? Hey, marvelous. I will be this child, though. If anything happens to me, my baby, I will not agree. Hey! You come my help. Hey, Jesus, what kind of a child is this, though? This I want to break
Now,
my head.
is that how Marvelous is very strong?
This I want to break my head. Leave my back.
Marvelous. Marvelous, let me talk to you. Come, let me talk to you. Come, let me talk to you.
Nobody is watching this front.
Yes, I have. No one.
And we are not going anywhere now. Maybe it's your father's child that something will happen to. Is it me?
Marvelous. Marvelous. I beg you with God Almighty. Marvelous. I will not take this thing from you. Did you look at me as somebody that will come and be bantering words with you? Why is it that my wife cannot stay in the front of my car and you will go to the back?
What is that I am doing? She has been going forcefully. You are not doing anything.
Okay, before that was not there.
You are not doing
Was
anything.
I not the one? Was there no I see?
Which of your seats?
It was your seat
The
before.
back belongs
It was your seat before. Marvelous. Hey, stop.
I will blow you. I will blow this girl.
The front was yours before. Yes, everybody know. But now I am married. Can't you don't respect my wives?
Who is your wife?
She's my wife. Look at her.
Where is she?
This is my wife.
I will blow your eyes.
You are seeing window.
I will blow your
You say you are doing what?
In the window I'm seeing.
You are not seeing this, my wife.
I am invisible now. I'm too small for her to
So
see.
you are seeing window.
See your face. Please, let's.
Hey! Jesus.
Better I enter than you enter.
You are not entering anywhere. See, back is the children. Enter the back. You will never join hands. Come on, put this here in the back seat. Now
I don't know what to do again. I'm tired of Marvelous. Marvelous, you are leaving my house. Thank you. You have did well.
Another way. Hey, God. Come on, what is this?
What have I done? What have I done? Which kind of problem is this?
So you want to jump?
Marvelous.
You want to jump?
Jump waiting. Jump waiting, Marvelous.
I must enter this.
Marvelous, you're not going anywhere with us.
Go
Go inside. Go inside.
You are not needed.
We don't want you anymore. Marvelous, allow me to enjoy my wife.
What is it that you want to go and do in the hospital?
So refuse the fake pregnancy that you're carrying. Doctor must.
My wife is not carrying any fake pregnancy. Hey. Marvelous, go inside.
I'm not going.
Go inside.
I'm not going. I was telling you to know that.
What is this now? So you cannot even allow my wife to.
Come and enter this.
Who is entering there?
Come and enter
You want to
this.
drag me inside?
Marvelous, go inside.
Give me.
Marvelous, go inside. Marvelous, go inside. Go inside. You people should come and see you. I've been enjoying Marvelous. I've been enjoying Marvelous in this house for long. I don't know what I did to Marvelous. I don't know what I did to Marvelous. You people should come and see you. Marvelous is looking for my trouble. Everybody should come and see you. You people should know that I've been trying to enjoy Marvelous. This is my wife. My wife is not pregnant. That is what Marvelous has been saying. My wife is not pregnant. What is my wife carrying? Is that not pregnancy?
I'm not listening.
Huh? Is that not pregnancy? Huh? Why is the Marvelous cannot listen? What did you even know about pregnancy? That is what I keep asking.
Okay,
Which kind of
pregnancy. It's
school?
not my mother that gave birth to you.
This is the kind of school.
I bet that the
I
two
don't
fast
know the
let's
kind
start
of
going to
school
the
that put
hospital.
Marvelous. Since the Marvelous started going to
If
this
you enter this car,
Hey! Okay, you know what? I'm not going anywhere. Fuck me, man.
I'm not going anywhere. Let me carry my bag.
I'm not going anywhere.
Let everybody go and see.
Let everybody down. I'm not going anywhere.
I'm not even going again, Seth. Let's go.
okay,
Let's
daddy,
go
she knows that she's
Let's
not
go
going to
inside.
don't know review that she's carrying a fake pregnancy.
It's a lie. It's you that is causing all these things.
She knows
It's
what
you that is causing. You know what? You know what? Sorry.
Sorry.
You know what? Both of you now should stay in the front. I don't want to see. Respect yourself. If you reach to that hospital, do not make any noise. Oh. Do not even go and be shouting. It's a fake pregnancy. Do not go out there and disgrace me. Don't ever go there to disgrace me. I'm begging you in the name of God.
Let me open the door. Let's go and rule out ourselves in the front.
Stay one place. Oh.
What's about to sit in the front?
You people should run.
Jesus!
Hey, yes, go.
Where are you running for? Which kind of thing
Daddy.
is this? What's going on?
I have told that was.
What are you doing with him?
I can put that.
Hey! Hey! Timo! Hey!
Now you know what? What you guys do what that means? Now you have seen shaking. Then you see shaking. You can see under your wife.